Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are Paul and Victoria, the jet set couple, luxury travellers and vloggers from London, England. We recently stayed at the absolutely stunning Gran Hotel Miramar in Malaga, Spain. The hotel is part of the Hoteles Santos group and is located in the centre of Malaga in the area of Caleta, between Paseo de Redding and a wonderful view of the city. We drove to the hotel from our property in Spain, and this was the view when we arrived, this magnificent driveway up to the property. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to room 324 here at the Hotel Gran Miramar in Malaga, Andalucía, Spain. So we are staying here and we booked one of the premier rooms, which is absolutely stunning. As usual, we booked the room through the leading hotels of the world group, and those of you that have seen the channel before will know that gives you certain perks, one of which should be early check-in. It's 5 to 3 now and check-in was 3 o'clock. We got in the room about 5 minutes ago, so we didn't really get an early check-in. And generally you get a minimum of 1 room upgrade. Unfortunately, we haven't got that either. Having said that, the room is stunning and I'm going to give you a tour of the room and then a tour of the whole property, and at the end review the hotel for you. So come and have a look around. So as soon as you come into the room, you're going to see this beautiful, massive bathroom, and it really is stunning. You've got a lovely bath here, his and hers sinks, Bulgari products throughout the bathroom, and then behind me, you've got this fabulous shower and your toilet and bidet here. And what's lovely is that you can close this section off as well as the bathroom. In the entrance hall, you've got these fabulous wardrobes, really are beautiful, and this gorgeous long full-length mirror. And in this wardrobe, you've got your safe as well, so you can lock all your treasures away whilst you're exploring Malaga. Now, coming into the main bedroom area, we've got this beautiful, huge king bed, and the decor is just so pretty. I love the headboard and the plasterwork around the ceiling. It is so beautiful. Over here you've got a ginormous television. I think it's got to be at least 60 inches. It is huge. And down here you've got a few cupboards. This one has got a selection of foods, nuts, crisps, etc. from the minibar. And over here we've got the minibar, which is fully stocked and just chargeable to the room as you go. The hotel have been very generous and gifted us a lovely bottle of wine and some beautiful Andalusian oranges and some fresh water, which is lovely, and these roses smell beautiful. And over here you've got a little seating area and your telephone. I think we have got a ginormous amount of pillows going on. I'm not sure if they have a pillow menu, but these feel luxurious enough as it is. I'm quite happy with those. And then out here we've got what is possibly the smallest balcony I've ever seen. So much so, there's only 1 chair. Guys, this is it. 1 chair and 1 table. So I've got to sit on Paul's lap to enjoy the balcony. You can hear it's really very noisy out here. I'm not sure what category room next door is, but Paul will show you now. Their balcony is much bigger with 2 chairs and a table, and you could really enjoy that. So I think perhaps if you like sitting outside before you book, it may be worth checking which size balcony you get, because to be honest, for us, this is not usable. So overall, this room is a beautiful room. I think the decor is absolutely stunning, and it's really got quite a big square metre section for you to use. As I say, the balcony is very small, but I think the bathroom makes up for that. It really is quite special. So let's go on a little adventure around the hotel. I'll give you a tour, and overall we'll review it at the end. When you arrive at the hotel, you'll be greeted by this stunning atrium that houses the Royal Lounge Coffee and Bar. You can sit and relax here with your friends, have a few drinks, and even take afternoon tea. On the top floor of the hotel is a fabulous rooftop bar. It's called the Media Luna Chill Out Bar and has the most incredible views across the beach and the city. This is well worth a visit, and I believe you can even come in if you're not staying at the hotel. The hotel has a fabulous outdoor pool. There is plenty of sun loungers and umbrellas, and also complimentary towels ready for you. A short stroll across the main road is the beach. It was very peaceful while we were here, and I'm confident in the summer it'd be a great place to relax. Adjacent to the swimming pool is the outdoor restaurant and bar, the Botanico Pool Bar and Restaurant. The food here was absolutely exquisite and the service was fantastic. I can't recommend this restaurant enough. For breakfast, you can go to the Mediterraneo restaurant. They serve buffet breakfast here. Depending on what board you stay, it may be included or you may have to pay extra. We had our breakfast included due to booking through the leading hotels of the world, but to be honest, we wasn't overly impressed with the breakfast. We felt the selection was quite minimal for a hotel of this standard. Overall, we had a lovely stay at the Gran Miramar Hotel in Malaga. The service could have been improved slightly in some areas, but that didn't detract from what a wonderful hotel it is. We'll definitely be back in the future, and we give it a Jet Set couple score of 5 out of 5. If you're off on your travels to the Hotel Miramar anytime soon, we wish you a fabulous stay. Thanks for watching.